Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Airtable for data management step by step so you can organize, analyze, and control your information more effectively in 2026. Start by creating a new base in Airtable. Think of this as your central data hub. Add tables based on your needs, such as customers, sales, inventory, projects, or performance metrics. For each table, choose the correct field types like single-line text, number, date, attachment, or single select. Using proper field types ensures your data stays clean and consistent. Next, connect related data using linked record fields. For example, link sales records to customer profiles or connect tasks to projects. This eliminates duplication and keeps everything synchronized automatically. You can then use grid, Kanban, calendar, or gallery views to analyze your data from different perspectives without copying anything. To gain insights, use formulas and roll-ups. Functions like sum, if, count, and average help calculate totals, track performance, or measure trends. Roll-up fields allow you to pull summarized data from linked tables, making reporting much easier. You can also build dashboards using interfaces to display key metrics in real time, add charts, record summaries, and filters to focus on important information. Finally, review your data regularly, remove outdated records, and audit automations to maintain accuracy and efficiency. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Airtable tutorials. Start using Airtable for smarter data management in 2026 and take full control of your information like a pro. Hey everyone.